It hurts. Those lonely nights, those dark days when it's just you and just your emotions. Yes, it's supposed to hurt. But let me ask you this. Why do you take the batteries out of your smoke detectors? What if a fire starts? You want your house to burn down? How will you get the warning when your smoke detectors are off? Switch them back on. But don't worry, you're not alone. I too do this sometimes. Our emotions are not our enemy. They are our smoke detectors. Let me say that again. Our emotions are our smoke detectors. We all tend to numb our emotions with alcohol, or some form of drug, or whatever the world has taught us to do. Hide ourselves. Anything just to numb our emotions. When we feel unhappy, that's our emotions warning us that something is wrong. Saying, hey, something inside this body is not in place. Something inside this mind is not in place. And it is expecting us to do something about it. So I implore you, take action. Kill the fire. Do not take the batteries out of your smoke detector. Trust your emotions to guide your path. You've got this. You were made for greatness. This is Coach Max from Team MaxFITT. Have a prosperous life.